In this video, we are going to talk about how you can get started with Divi. So if you are planning to use Divi to build your WordPress website, then in this video, we are going to take a look at how you can get started and what are the basic settings that you need to do after getting Divi. So let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So before we dive in the process of setting up Divi on our WordPress website, let's go ahead and visit the Divi website so that we can get the best plan for us. So this is the Elegant Theme website and here is the Divi, that is one of their product. So here on the Divi page, you can go ahead and view all the details about it. So if you have not already purchased your subscription plan for Divi, you can go ahead and check out the link in the video description below and you will be redirected to the landing page if there is any sale going on. Like the one right now, they are running their anniversary sale. So we are going to grab our subscription with this deal. But before buying your subscription, if you want to try Divi, you can always use their free option here, which is an online demo of the Divi page builder. You can go ahead and try and play around with all the widgets and blocks and see how it works and make yourself comfortable with it. So this is exactly how it's going to look on your WordPress setup. So you can go ahead and play around with all the things here. And once you made up your mind, you can go ahead and purchase your subscription from here. So let's say we go to pricing. And while recording this video, right now they are running their anniversary sale. So we will be getting 20% off right now. So instead of $89 per year, we are going to get this at $70 per year. And the same for the lifetime. Instead of $249, we are going to get a lifetime deal for $199. But right now we are going with the yearly access just to show you how everything works. So let's go ahead and click on sign up. And here we are going to fill up all the basic details and then we will do the purchase. So let me just go ahead and fill up all the details so that we can do the checkout from here. So now after filling up all our details, we are ready to complete our registration and checkout. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so now our purchase of Divi subscription is done. We can now start building our website using Divi. So the first step is to log in our account. So let's click on login and open this in a new tab. And here we will enter our username and password. Let's go ahead and log in. And this is how the members area will look like. And here are the two options, that is Divi theme with all-in-one WordPress theme with the Divi builder. Or we can just go ahead and use the Divi builder and use any WordPress theme. So we would prefer to use Divi theme because that's the best combination with Divi builder. So let's go ahead and download the Divi theme. And here is the zip file. So here we are in our WordPress backend. In order to set up Divi here, we need to go to appearance and then click on themes. And here we need to click on add new. And now we will upload a new theme. And then choose the zip file of Divi that we have just downloaded. And once we select the file, let's click on install now. Alright, so now the theme is installed. Let's click on activate. And now we have the Divi theme as well as the Divi page builder installed and activated. So let's get rid of all these old themes. Alright, so now we have the Divi theme as well as our Divi theme builder installed and set up. So now let's go ahead and click on Divi here. And the next thing we need to do is click on updates. And here we need to enter our Divi username and our API key. And the reason we need to do that is to get regular updates from Divi so that we can have the latest updates from Divi and use them on our site. But just in case, if the things don't go well, you can always roll back to the previous version using this option here. Now you already know your username, but in order to get the API key, you need to go back in your Elegant Theme account. And here you need to click on account. And in this account section, we need to go at the very bottom. Here we have the API key option. Once we click on that, here we get our username as well as our API key. So let's go ahead and copy this from here. Let's come back in our WordPress setup. Let's enter our username and then paste our API key. Once that is done, let's go ahead and click on Save Changes. And now the activation is done successfully. Once that is done, let's go to General. And here you can go ahead and enter basic details, like you can upload your logo. So let's go ahead and select a file. So maybe we can use this image here. And you can go ahead and play around with these settings like fixed navigation bar or enable Divi gallery. And the most important thing that we need to choose here is our color picker, that is our default color palette. So while creating our WordPress website, we don't want to play around with different colors. We always need consistency. So that's why we need to define our color palette, which we are going to use at various places on our website. And you can go ahead and select any color here. And just in case you need any inspiration, then you can always visit websites like colorhunt.co. There are various other websites that you can find. You just need to do a little Google search and you will find a lot of sites. So maybe if you want to choose this one, we have copied here. If you want to copy this color, let's do it from here. Or maybe this one, so you can do it from here. If we come back and paste our color code here, so this is how it's going to look. And in the same way, you can play around with various settings here. You can enter your Google API key, and you can also enable Google Fonts and various other simple straightforward details. Once all that is done, we can go ahead and click on Save Changes. And after that, we can go to our theme customizer from Appearance, then click on Customize. Let's open that in a new tab. And here we can go to General Settings, and under Typography, we can define how the typography of various elements will look like. Like for our body text, we can increase the size of the text from here, and you can increase the body line height. And you can also define the body link color. So maybe we can choose any color from here. And you can also choose the header font style. So this could be something like this. All the header will be in bold, and you can change the default font. So maybe you can play around with that as well. So maybe if I select this Poppins font, so this is how it's going to look. And for the body font, maybe I can select, you can play around with various fonts. So you can choose the best one for you. And after this, we can play around with the text as well. So this is how it's going to look. And here you can see our color palette that we have just selected. So this is how it's going to update all the colors right from here. And once that is done, we can just publish all these settings. So this is how we can do the basic setup and configurations for Divi theme as well as our Divi page builder. And with that, all the things are set up and ready to get started. And in the next few videos of this series, we are going to cover how we can use Divi Page Builder to create various styles of websites. So stay tuned for that.